Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 3. If it has rained 276 mm in the last 3 days, how many centimeter of rain will fall in one full week, that is 7 days? Assume that the rain continues to fall at the same rate. Let us solve this problem. Let us take in 3 days, in 3 days, it has rained 276 millimeter, right? Therefore, in one day it has rained 276 by 3 millimeter. Therefore, in 7 days, it has rained 276 by 3 into 7. If we cut this by 3, that is 3 1 is 3 and 3 9 is 27, 3 2 is 6, that is 92 into 7. 7 is 14, carry 1, here 4, 7 9 is 63 plus 1, 64, that is 644 millimeter. Therefore, you can say that how many centimeter rain will fall in 1 week. Therefore, we can say that 644 millimeter, you have to change it into centimeter, right? That means millimeter can be changed to centimeter by dividing this number by, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, right? That means 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That means to change millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide the number by 10. Therefore, 644 by 10, it is centimeter. That comes to 64.4 centimeter, right? How many centimeter of rain will fall in 1 week? Therefore, you can say, therefore 64.4 centimeter of rain will fall in one full week or 7 days, right? This is the answer of question number 3, 7 days. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.